Welcome to our channel Food Hive and let's prepare something yummy.
Today we are going to prepare Lauki Bharta, mashed bottle gourd curry. Note down the ingredients needed. Steam the sliced bottle gourd for 10 minutes or till it turns soft. And then drain water and mash it. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in deep pan and heat it. Add 3 chopped medium-size onions in the hot oil and stir it. Add fresh 7 to 8 mashed cloves of garlic and half-inch crushed ginger. And mix it. Add 1 chopped green chilli and mix it well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix it well. Add red chilli powder and salt to taste and mix it well and cook masalas for a minute. Stir it continuously. Add green peas 1/4 cup and add little water if needed or when masalas are burning. Add 2 large chopped tomatoes. And mix it well. Cover and cook it till tomatoes softens. Now add mashed lauki and mix it well. Add salt if needed. Add some crushed dry coconut. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes in low flame, till all is cooked nicely. Finally add Pav Bhaji Masala 1½ teaspoon, fresh coriander leaves and few lemon drops. And mix it well. Let it cook for more 2 minutes in low flame. Now your Lauki Bharta is ready to serve with paratha, roti, rice.
Comments if you liked our recipes, and for more awesome recipes from Food Hive, please subscribe, like and share.